So we're having 48 tons of dirt delivered. This is the first lot of 6 tons. I must admit the tractor does make light work of it rather than putting it in a wheelbarrow and taking it up there. So we've got to do all of that. You know he likes his toys. This tractor has been the most useful thing I think he's ever bought in his life. Pulling out weeds, moving dirt, dredging all the land to get all the bricks out, moving all this dirt. So yeah, we've got another 7 tipper trucks coming over the week. Call him Tom the Builder, really.